If you want to build a beautiful portfolio site on Squarespace without starting from scratch, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process to turn a blog page into a clean, polished portfolio page that looks professional and is easy to customize. This is a great method if you're a designer, photographer, freelancer, or creative who wants to showcase work in a stylish way. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Squarespace tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the home menu in Squarespace and click Pages. This is where all of your site's navigation and page structure live. Once you're inside Pages, look for the plus icon next to Main Navigation. Click that plus icon and from the menu that appears, select Blog. Squarespace uses the blog page type as a flexible starting point, and that makes it a really useful foundation for building a portfolio layout. Now, when Squarespace asks you to choose a blog layout, pick a clean, image-heavy layout. The key here is to choose something that puts your visuals front and center. Since a portfolio site is all about showing off your work, you want a layout that feels minimal, modern, and image-focused. Don't worry about the fact that it says blog for now. We're going to customize the page so it feels like a portfolio instead of a traditional blog. Next, name the page Portfolio. This helps keep things organized and makes it clear to visitors what the page is for. Once the page has been created, look for the gear icon next to your new page and click it. This opens the page settings where you can control things like SEO, navigation, and the URL. In the settings, change the URL slug from blog to portfolio. This is an important step because it gives your page a clean branded web address that matches the purpose of the page. After you update the slug, click Save. Now your page will look much more intentional and professional from a link and a navigation standpoint. After that, go to your main portfolio page layout and click Edit in the top left corner. This opens the page editor so you can start refining the design. Once you're in the editor, hover over the grid section. You should see editing controls appear. Click the pencil icon, which is the Edit Section option. This is where you can adjust the structure and presentation of the section. Now, set the layout to Basic Grid or Masonry. This is the step that really transforms the page. A basic grid layout gives you a clean, structured look, while Masonry can create a more dynamic, visually interesting arrangement. Either option helps hide the traditional blog feel and makes the page look much more like a professional portfolio gallery. As you make these changes, keep in mind that the goal is to remove anything that feels too much like a standard blog. You want visitors to land on the page and immediately think, this is a curated portfolio of work. That means focusing on visuals, keeping the layout clean, and making sure the page title, URL, and section style all support that polished portfolio look. If you want, you can continue customizing the page by adding project images, short descriptions, category labels, or links to case studies. You can also experiment with spacing, typography, and image ratios to make the page feel even more aligned with your brand. The more consistent your design is, the more professional your portfolio site will look. So to recap, you opened Pages, added a blog page under Main Navigation, chose a clean image-heavy layout, renamed it Portfolio, changed the URL slug to Portfolio, and then edited the section layout to Basic Grid or Masonry. That simple process gives you a strong portfolio foundation in Squarespace without needing a complex setup. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support more step-by-step website tutorials just like this one. And if you want to see more Squarespace tips, keep watching because I'll be breaking down more ways to build and improve your site in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.